this gives you power because think about it. When she rejects you and it does not affect you emotionally, then what's up my inspired alphas? Welcome back to another. Today I am telling you how to close the deal. Most guys are struggling out here to close the deal. It's simple. Once you have approached your crush or whoever and you have their number, now let's go through this process step by step. Step number 1, you must be confident enough to approach women. You must be confident enough in yourself to approach women and be clear with your intentions. You are approaching women because you want them to be part of your life, being not friendship but romantic partner, either lover, girlfriend, whatever. But they are coming. You must be able to communicate that effectively, that hey, my name is so and so, and you whatever it is that you noticed about her, and you communicate your intentions. Hey, I would like us to grab a drink or to hang out sometime, so that when you exchange contacts, you already know exactly what you are going to do with the contact. She already knows exactly what to expect from you. Now, that aside, the first thing you want to communicate through text is who you are and your intentions again. Now, I've been doing a lot of experiments with texting, and there are categories of women, the way you text women. There are those women who they are high interest women. Now, with high interest women, I recommend that you go straight to the point. You go straight to the point. High interest women go straight to the point. But with all women, go straight to the point. But you don't want to be too aggressive again. So you bring it subtly. Well, I don't know if that's the correct word, but this is what you do. You start with pleasantries. Hello, whatever. You maybe when you approached her, you even gave each other nicknames. But you want to convey that you are cool, calm and collected, and what you want to accomplish is setting up a date. Setting up a date because she already knows this guy wants us to hang out. So that is, I'll leave it to you, but the main important thing about texting is that you want to use texting to set a date. Simple. You don't want to know her through text. You want to set up a date and get to know her face to face. Number 2, you must detach yourself from any outcome. Yes, you must detach yourself from outcomes because you'll be disappointed. You see, when you're talking to women, when you approach women, if they give you their number, that is not a guarantee that she'll hang out with you. So when you detach yourself from any outcomes, then you expect anything can happen, and this gives you power because think about it. When she rejects you and it does not affect you emotionally, then then you can look at that situation and learn from it, and you will not have any hard feelings because you expect it's not like she's obligated to go out with you. But once you detach yourself from that conversation emotionally, then you give yourself more room to be free, whether she accepts you or not. You have that don't care mentality, because you have many options. If you don't have any options, then that is when you find yourself taking things personally. So make a habit of having an abundance mindset. Well, building an abundance mindset, whether it's with women, it's money, it's business, everywhere you have that abundance mindset, that I am not really needy for your outcome to be whatever it is that I want, because whatever it is you are giving me, I can get it from another source. All right. Number 3, you want to tell yourself, you must understand that not every woman will be attracted to you. Now, not every woman that gives you her number is going to hang out with you. So this is like sales. It's a numbers game. The more options you have, meaning the bigger the probability that you'll close a lot of sales. Well, a lot of sales. So now there are hot leads. Collecting numbers. When a woman gives you her number, that is like a lead in sales. When you have, say, a total of 20 leads, out of those 20 leads, 7 are hot leads, very, very hot leads that are waiting for your call. Now, out of the remaining 13 or 14, no, 7, so it's 13, half of them are medium. They are not sure, and then the rest are just, well, they don't even remember. You'll find that the probability of you closing is high, because first of all, you have a lot of options, and they are hot leads. Now, closing is just you calling and closing the deal. It's that simple. But you must understand that there will be high interest who are easy to close. It's easy to close. There are those who are, they're just medium to hot. Medium there. You don't have to discard them. You just have to cut attention, and they will come to you. They will chase you. And it's easy like that. Just a numbers game. The more options you have, the more probability you have. The list. Never get hung up on one woman. Never get hung up on one woman, because she's going to throw you off balance. Always have that free abundance mindset, where you know exactly who you are, you know exactly what you want, and you are not going to tolerate anything that does not fit your standard. Now, you'll find that some women are really good. By good, I mean they will drive you crazy. They will make you feel like like I don't know that feeling, but they will confuse you. But don't give in. Stay strong. Remember, whatever it is she's giving you, if it's with strings attached, then it's probably best that you follow other options, because you have more options. Why get hung up with one woman who is going to be a setback? You want people who complement your life. You want women who give you less headache, who give you no headache. If she's giving you headaches, you drop her, because, well, we want to live an easy life. And An easy life composes of you understanding who you are, setting your standards, and letting people reach your standards. If they don't reach your standard, you move on, because, well, there is an abundance of everything. Everything is in abundance. So don't get hung up on one woman. So guys, it's that simple. Closing is that simple. It's a numbers game. The more options you have, the higher your probability that you have no stress. And remember, the more options you have, the more women will be attracted to you. It's called social proof. The more that mindset will set itself, and it will cement itself, because you are used to having options. So guys, hopefully you got value from today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.